Yeah, as you can already see, I'm somewhere in the jungle and we have some interesting cars there, so let's take a look. Yeah, and the first one STS, and that one is Cadillac. Oh man, this one is fully in the bushes, but I will try to get to it. What? Holy smoke! Let's see if we can see the interior. Looks nice. But there is more. Yeah, I will change the location and we will continue from there. Yeah, and there we have our Chevrolet S10 pickup truck, fully grown in, and whoop, wow. Another one. And let's see if you can see it, something inside. This one is already empty, it's hard to see, but yeah, there's plenty to see. Yeah, let's continue. This one is not so bad. And then we have another one. What a surprise. Ooh, wait a minute. This one is the special one with these fenders. And side step. Yeah, that's a side step. But hello. Still more to go. Inside also some parts. It's hard to see, but it's a complete one. Let's look from this side. Nice wheels. Yeah, but you can see this is like in a jungle. Yeah, nice one. Again, a Cadillac. Sitting here, I don't know how long, but I'll try to squeeze there inside. It's complete, but wow, now you can see where I'm moving around, but as you can see, it's a STS also, 32 valves, not star. What a surprise, another one. This is getting better and better. So let's continue, and also a leather black interior. It's hard to see, but wooden steering wheel, but a cool one. And yeah, and now we have the Citroen version, ZX. But I really like This one, I never see this before. This is a 3-door version. I wonder what engine is inside. Normally the 3-door version is a more powerful one, usually. And another one. This one doesn't have the cool silver. The roof, the lights between. Yeah, but then we have another one. It's a 5-door version. And Citroen also one. I cannot even come to this one down below. But there's more. There is more. Also one Citroen ZX and a Citroen Xsara. That's a special one. What I know, this is a VTS 2-liter gasoline engine, and from what this was told to me, this one is modified on the engine side. But yeah, more of this one. And a green one, this is a nice color. And then we have a golden one, but what I like is the exhaust tips. That's a genuine one. Again, cool wheels. Also a VTS, a 2-liter, from what I know. And what a surprise, another one. VTS, cool wheels also. I don't know what's the engine there inside, no clue. But there's more. Man, if we just look at that and tell me that's not also a Citroen helm, then I don't know what it is. And there is our golden Citroen Xsara, also a VTS, a 2-liter engine. But I will flip the camera that you can see a little more. And also fully in the jungle. This one has a sunroof, what's really cool. Yeah, this one also the ZX has a sunroof. Something what I cannot get to it because it's no room. I don't want to climb over the cars, they are not mine. Also ZX, ZX Tonic, interesting. And another Citroen Xsara. They, a disclaimer, they have all a sport kit on it. So that you know, if you are a Citroen guy, then you know what this means. This one, what I know, is also a 2-liter engine. But yeah, the paint really fainted, the clear coat. But I don't have I don't mind, I like it. Yeah, this one doesn't have the leather interior, but it has the original pocket seats. So let's try to squeeze there. Oh my god! And this one is a 5-door version. Yeah, with the spoiler. Oh, well, look at that. Not exhaust tip, something else. And there's the exhaust tips are missing, but let's continue forward. And the wheels are just cool. Another Xsara with a cool color. Oh, wait a minute, I think I already showed this one, but the golden one, I want to take a closer look. These wheels are just fitting perfectly with this, with the sport kit. Just cool. The interior. Oh. Yeah, and then we continue to another Xsara and another one. But what is interesting, this one is also 3-door version. Yes, VTS, what I can see. This one has a special spoiler. I never saw this one before. What's that? Yeah, this was aftermarket, custom made from two glued together one. Interesting. Interesting. But let's go to the other side. I don't know what's the engine inside, but I see there's a preparation for double exhaust. But according to the exhaust, maybe I don't know, I have no clue which engine. I know one of them is also 1.8, but I have no clue which one. And the color, this one is silver, this one is light blue, also VTS. Holy smoke. Cool wheels again, what a surprise. Yeah. And ZX. Cool as heck. A line of Citroen Xsaras, but yeah, this is more interesting. So these are Chevrolet S10 Blazer. What I know, this is something end of the 80s, and this one is yeah, actually put together from two cars. Yeah, you can see already on the color, but again, wheels, they are really nice one. And this was a parts car, what I know, but then the owner discovered that it's really rust free inside. What's, yeah, really rare. But yeah, I cannot come to the car from the other side, but as you can see, yeah, it's really cool looking. Then I don't know if I can reach it. Behind, it's hard to see in the jungle. Also another one. I will try to get to it. And yeah, no comment there. But let's go the line of the Citroen Xsaras. I will not waste much words, but 3-door, 5-door and so on, with sport kit. Another one, yeah, 3-door version. Yeah, if you saw my another video, this one has our own video, but yeah, I will give you a link somewhere upside. Then you have a Peugeot 106 in the jungle with the sunroof. Nice green interior. And then it starts with a Chevrolet Blazer. This one is, I think, 94 or 95. I'll try to so It's hard to see inside, but yeah, it's sitting a while. Yeah, the problem is this terrain is very hard to reach, so I'll try to squeeze in this direction. Yeah, this worked. This one is a blazer for pots. Black one, man. If you can see, yeah, you can see this is already overgrowing it. And then you have the inside, but this one is hidden as heck. I have no idea if I can reach it. Holy smoke. Oh, this one is on a trailer. A complete trailer is there in the back. Cool wheels also. Blazer 4x4. Yeah. You can see how big this is. Yeah, I will try to go out and I have something there to show you again. We'll continue from there, but that's the back of the red one. And yeah, and this is it. A front end of a Chevrolet S10. And you have the whole chassis. And there is another one. Yeah, if you're in the woods and you find something like this, yeah, make a picture. You don't find this often, I would say, like this. Yeah, that's for today. I hope you like it, and until next time, there you have it.